there, it's Kelly. I want to introduce you to another one of my flower friends. This is chocolate lace. Also, some people call it Daucus Dara. It is a chocolatey Queen Anne's lace type of flower in the carrot family. What I love about this flower is that on the same plant, there is a lot of variety in colors. So if I'm a designer and I am working to do like some gradation of color, or I just want to do some nuanced things with color, this is such a great plant because it's going from dark to light on the same plant. And then once this main bloom, like for example, this one is kind of at its like peak place for bloom, and this one that I have has finished blooming and is finishing up, still offering some really cool texture and shape to a floral design. So I feel like I really love all of the different stages of this chocolate lace flower. So handshake, welcome, chocolate lace flower, try it out.